Hi, this is Tom with Imagine Lifestyles Luxury and Exotic Rentals. Today I'm going to show you something with our Lamborghini Huracan convertible here. Unfortunately, from time to time you may end up in a situation where your vehicle needs to be towed, and if that is the case, the Lamborghini has a very specific way that you can connect the vehicle to a truck. I'm going to show you that now. Step one, you want to pop the front trunk of the car. Trunk release on this car is located down here. Step two, you need to remove the grille insert on the passenger side front of the vehicle. And if you look closely at the grille, you will see that there are 5 points where the openings have a backing to them. Those points are all going to correspond with a clip that holds that grille in place. You're going to need to pull each one of those clips out individually. As you do this, you want to grab close to each of the clips. Don't pull from a faraway point on the grille. The whole grille comes out, and you can sit that right here in the trunk. On the driver's side of the trunk, you have a emergency kit. Inside you have a tire inflator, a flare holder, and our necessary tow hook. If you look back down where we just removed the clip from, you're going to see this large black cover here that pulls straight off, requires a little bit of wiggling, and your tow hook threads straight in. Once this is nice and tight, you want to back it off just a quarter turn so it doesn't become stuck in the vehicle. Now you can connect a tow hook to this and pull the car.